Welcome YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing an unboxing, more of the Pets in Pockets. It's 3 puppies and 1 kitty, and then I saw these things. These are 1 activity sheet and 40 stickers. They're called Sticker Activity Surprises. I got 1 of every kind, so there's 1 with Mickey, 1 with Minnie, 1 with Disney princesses, and 1 with El Canto. So I don't know what these are, but I'm going to take a look at these ones first. So let's take a look. Maybe we'll get something interesting. Trustworthy knife. Alrighty, let's see what they give you. Give you a roll. Of course. Oh. A little sleeve. Okay. They give you an activity sheet. It's Mickey, a connect a dot. Fun times. It's almost like a picture thing. So a little coloring. And we got tons of stickers. That's cool. I wonder if they're all the same. So if I get another one of these, it's pretty much going to be the same, I betcha. Kids will like those. You know, get that for the kids as a little reward. The Dollar Tree has them. They had just gotten them in when I grabbed them. So let's see what the Minnie Mouse has. Bet you it's gonna be Daisy and Minnie. Probably Clarabelle or the cat. I have no idea what the cat's name is, but let's see. So it's the same standard setup. Say connect the dot with Minnie. Dotted up. It's Minnie and Daisy. And her bird and Minnie. I actually don't know what the bird's name is, so if you know in the comments, please let me know. That's the cat I'm talking about, by the way. Cool. And oh, that's cool. She's creepy looking at you. Ooh. That's cool. Again, kids will love these. They love stickers. I don't know why. I mean, I used to love stickers. How about you guys? Did you ever love just stickers? Okay, let's look at the Disney princess and then El Canto. Alrighty. Just so you know, you can see right there, I did put Belle on. Okay, let's see what we got for things. There's Tiana, Connected Dot Ariel, Mulan, Jasmine, and Moana. Cool. Moana. Okay, let's see what we got for stickers. There's Moana, Flit, Belle, Jasmine, the lamp, Ariel, Flounder, Ariel, Moana, and Rapunzel. That's one of the brothers from Brave. There's Mulan and Belle, Chip, let's see, Ariel, Tiana, there's Meredith, Pocahontas, and Aurora, Cinderella, there's Pascal, there's Rapunzel, Mulan, and Belle. That's actually a really nice one. That's actually the coolest one so far, in my opinion. Okay, and I wouldn't say these are mostly surprises. It's just they're really nice. Let's see, I have no knowledge of Encanto, so I can't name any of the characters. So connect the dot. One of those. One of those. One of those. So there's 3 panels. And that. Isabella, Antonio, Sisters Goals, Isabella, Familia, Enojada, Flex Alert, and then there's Besos, Luisa, Isabella, Familia, Enojada, Triste, Mirabel. That's cool. So those were the 4 balls that I had. Okay. Like I said, I think these are really cool. You can also turn these into like little ornaments or something. Put a string in there and just hang it up. Alright. Now, puppies. What do we have? We have another one of Quincy. This one's actually not the same as the other one. This one's actually darker. Cool. The other one was pure white. This one's not. Maybe that was a variant. I don't know. This one is Jumper, the Yorkshire Terrier. By the way, Skye Terrier. It's another one I haven't had before. And another one. Another Skye. And let's see what we have for the cats. We have another one of Midge. As you can see, I have my Midge in the background right there. That's cool. Alrighty. Well, let me know in the comments which one of these 4 balls, these sticker ball activity sheet things that you like the best, and which one of these guys. Anyways, I gotta get going. Like and subscribe, YouTube. Peace out.